All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about, I'm going to talk about a way to organize your thinking when you're either expanding some polynomials or factoring. And I'm just going to call it the factoring box, and it works out around the idea of area of a rectangle. So let's say that we had a rectangle who one dimension was 3 and one dimension was 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we know that the area is equal to 12. In other words, 3 times 4 is going to give us this area. Well, the box works the same way. If we had two polynomials, and in the business we call these linear binomials. Linear means they're to the first power, right? These are both to the first power. And binomial means that there's two terms in each factor. Okay? If we were multiplying these linear binomials, then we could say that this is x plus 3 and this is x plus 2. And then this box represents the multiplication of these two dimensions, x squared. This box represents the multiplication of these two dimensions, 3x. This one, 2x. And this one, 2 times 3 is 6. Now, as we know, so that gives me x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, which can be simplified to x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now, this, obviously, if you just went right to foiling, you would get there pretty quick. But in order for this box to be useful for factoring, we want to practice it with multiplication, with expanding, so that we understand the way the box works. So we're going to have you do, I'm going to do one more example here, but I want you to do, for homework, there are 5 or 6 problems on Alex, and I want you to show your work in this manner so that you can understand how this box works. But here's another one that might be a little bit more complicated. Okay. So once again, I have my box, right? Raise it up a little bit. So this will be 2x minus 1, and it doesn't matter which one goes where. Okay. This box represents 2x times 3x, which is 6x squared. This box represents 3x times negative 1, so negative 3x. This box represents 2x times 5, which is 10x. And this box represents negative 1 times 5, which is negative 5. When I expand, so then I get the terms 6x squared minus 3x plus 10x minus 5, which would be 6x squared plus 7x minus 5. And that would be the expanded form of this polynomial using the box. So for homework, I want you to use the box on the 4 or 5 problems that will be on the homework in Alex. And yeah, I just want you to play with that and then do topic.